My first name is Rafael, last name is Colon.
I am the entrepreneurship instructor.
It's like it's an entrepreneurship class. They learn everything that's related to starting a business, running a business, and eventually even closing that business if they have to do that. What we're dealing with right now is the stock market challenge, and that's the competition that's happening tomorrow. It's a matter of utilizing whatever information you have at hand based on whatever's happening out in the world, and then combining those two sources into a result. Junior Achievement actually provides us with curriculum. The game itself, it's an online platform. It works just like the real stock market. There are prizes if and when they win, but just being part of the competition, meeting people, the networking side of it, there's so much that you're getting. It's incredible.
It's really important that as we give them the information, they also do their practice.
I felt like I've learned a lot about the market, how it works, the mechanics that helps me with my future in being an entrepreneur, which I do want to be an entrepreneur.
Oh, it's going to be an exciting scene here. We have students from 30 schools who are going to descend here, and they're going to be trading on our simulated stock floor. They're going to get $1 million fictitious dollars, and they have to spend that money and see who gets the highest portfolio.
We asked a lot of people, what's the one thing you wish you would have learned when you were in school? 10 out of 10 answers were about money. And so the fact that we are going into the schools through a volunteer program, that's how we deliver our mission, is really impactful. And the fact that we're teaching them something that's hands-on, real-life experience is already putting them miles ahead.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
We're incredibly excited to be here. This is such an amazing opportunity.
I'm excited because this is my first year, even though I had the class before. I really want to make sure that there's representation in the room for us.
2, 1. First place, ROI, 53.69%. Jokers in.
Time for Rafael Colon. We won. Like, that just shows you how good of a teacher he is. Like, he really led us to win, and like we had the most people here, I'm pretty sure. Biggest prize is, like, you know, meeting all these new people and being in this environment and making all these connections with a bunch of people that I might see in the future who, like, you know, who knows, and it's just a good experience to have.
Super proud. All of them.
Thank you, Junior Achievement.